Welcome to the Java forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-12992 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called C##card. So now what I am going to do, I am executing the query select star from tempo. Next I am executing select star from tempo 2. Here tempo is a parent table and tempo 2 is a child table. Okay, let me open the SQL developer. Okay, so here you can see that tempo table is having the primary key. Okay, and let me show the model diagram. So this is a model diagram for the tempo table, so which is referred by tempo 2 table. So tempo table having the primary key, tempo 2 table is having the foreign key, which is referring the tempo table. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table tempo. Okay, alter table tempo, set unused column empno. So what is error here? ORA-12992 cannot drop parent key column. So when I try to alter the parent key column called employee number to unused, it throws the error ORA-12992. So what I am doing, I am altering the another column which is not a primary key or a foreign key in tempo table.